Hello friends, today's project is a musical rain alarm. This circuit detects rainfall and triggers an alarm. It has various applications like irrigation control, automatic window portal, in which window closes automatically whenever rain falls. This project can also be used in rainfall monitoring, outdoor event planning, gardening, pool maintenance, education purposes, etc. Let us take a look at the circuit diagram. You can see a transformer, bridge rectifier, and voltage regulator IC in the circuit diagram, which is used to get a power supply. Over here we have used an external power supply, hence have not used these components in our prototype. This is the rain sensor. It has two wires. When the rain droplets touch this sensor, both the wires are shorted. In the circuit diagram you can see 4 transistors. These all 4 transistors have a specific purpose. Transistors 1 and 2 are controlling transistors. The rain sensor is connected here. Whenever rain is sensed by the sensor, transistor 1 activates and puts transistor 2 and 3 in conducting mode. From transistor 3 the melody IC will get required power supply. The IC UM66 will generate an audio signal, after which transistor 4 will be in conducting mode and turn on the speaker. You can see the complete assembled circuit on the breadboard. Red color wires represent positive terminals and the black wires are connected to ground. This LED will indicate rainfall. Whenever the rainfall is detected by the rain sensor, this LED glows. This speaker will turn on at the same time. Here we have connected an external power supply of 5 volts. This is the melody generator IC. Apart from all the components discussed earlier, some resistors and capacitors are used as visible in the part list. At the time when there is no rain, the circuit is disabled as transistor 1 is in non-conducting mode. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is the prototype of the circuit. Power supply is connected already. On putting 1 or 2 droplets of water in the sensor, you can see the LED glows and an audio sound is coming out from the speaker. This means the rain is detected by the sensor and its 2 wires are shorted, which in turn put transistor 1 in conducting mode. Hence the complete circuit started working. On increasing the number of water droplets on the sensor, the intensity of LED will increase and also the sound intensity coming out from the speaker will increase. On removing the water droplets, the LED turns off and the speaker stops gradually. You can increase the RC timing by replacing this capacitor with a big value capacitor. Now you can see the alarm will blow for a longer duration than before. This is a low-cost circuit and can be developed in 200 to 250 rupees only. To install this project, you have to create this circuit on a general-purpose PCB and not on the breadboard. After assembling the circuit on PCB for installation, put this rain sensor on the roof or in the area where rain falls. To use this circuit in the window opener project, install a relay here in place of the capacitor for opening and closing of the window automatically. We have designed this circuit for 5 volts, but you can use 9 volts or 12 volts supply also if that is only available with you. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience. Thank you.